Get voice chat on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can enable Roblox voice chat. In order to enable voice chat on Roblox, first of all make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with open up a browser and then log in into your Roblox account. So type in roblox.com and log in. So in order to enable a voice chat on Roblox, first of all you need to make sure that your age identification. First of all, make sure that you've verified your age. So only above 13 plus will be able to have an access of voice chat. So for that you need to go to your gear icon from the top right hand side corner, go to settings. Once you tap on the gear icon, it's going to direct you to the settings page. Right over here you can see verify my age, which means that you've not verified your age. So in order to verify your age, tap on verify my age, and after that it's going to ask you to provide in the ID, or you need to scan the QR code. After that you'll be asked to take a photo of your ID saying that you're 13 plus, and only then you'll be able to enable the voice chat. Now if you've already verified it, then what you need to do is you need to go to privacy from the right hand side corner once again, and once you've done that you'll be able to see voice enable right over here. So you need to toggle the switch right over here. After that you've successfully enabled your voice chat. However, if you're unable to see this option after verifying your age, what you need to do is log out of your Roblox. Once again log in into your account and head back to the same page. You'll be able to find the option. After that, what you need to do is go to your home page and you need to open up the game, and as soon as you've enabled the mic, you'll be able to see the mic button located right in center of the game. So once you've done that, you can mute as well as unmute it at the same time, and make sure that you've set up the mic setting. So in this way you can enable voice chat on Roblox. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and head back to the same button